Maintaining the right humidity level in your bathroom is essential, not just for comfort, but to protect your home from costly wall damage and unsightly problems like mold and mildew. Bathrooms are high moisture environments, and every shower or bath introduces water vapor into the air. If this moisture isn't properly controlled, it can quickly condense on walls, ceilings, and windows, leading to peeling paint, warped drywall, and even structural issues over time. Taking simple, proactive steps to control humidity can make all the difference in keeping your bathroom looking fresh and functioning at its best. The first line of defense is proper ventilation. Most modern bathrooms are equipped with exhaust fans, but not all fans are created equal. To be effective, your bathroom exhaust fan should be powerful enough for the size of your space and should run for at least 20 minutes after each shower or bath. If you notice lingering moisture or fogged up mirrors long after you've finished, consider upgrading to a higher capacity fan or installing additional units in larger bathrooms. Regularly clean the fan's cover and blades, as dust buildup can reduce its efficiency. Windows are another valuable ally in the fight against humidity. Whenever possible, open windows after bathing to allow fresh air to circulate and carry away excess moisture. Even a few minutes of cross-ventilation can dramatically reduce humidity levels, especially in warmer weather. If privacy or security is a concern, consider installing frosted glass or window locks that allow you to vent the room safely. Dehumidifiers offer another solution, especially in bathrooms without windows or with limited ventilation. Compact, portable dehumidifiers are designed to fit in small spaces and can remove significant amounts of moisture from the air. Simply plug one in and empty the reservoir regularly to keep humidity levels in check. For a more permanent solution, whole home dehumidifiers can be installed to maintain optimal moisture levels throughout your house, including the bathroom. It's also important to address the sources of humidity directly. Take shorter, cooler showers to reduce steam, and always close the bathroom door during bathing to contain moisture. Afterward, leave the door open to allow air to circulate and help dry the room. Wipe down wet surfaces, such as shower walls, mirrors, and countertops, to minimize the amount of water evaporating into the air. Hanging towels and bath mats so they can dry quickly will also help prevent excess humidity. Regular maintenance and inspection are crucial for early detection of potential issues. Look for signs of moisture damage on walls and ceilings, such as discoloration, bubbling paint, or musty odors. Address leaks promptly, whether they come from plumbing fixtures, pipes, or the roof above. Seal gaps around tubs, sinks, and windows with waterproof cork to prevent water from seeping into walls. If you discover mold or mildew, clean the affected area with a mixture of water and vinegar or a commercially available mold remover, then ensure the space dries thoroughly before repainting or patching. Choosing the right materials for your bathroom can also help protect your walls from humidity damage. Opt for moisture-resistant drywall or cement board behind tile installations, and use mildew-resistant paints and primers on walls and ceilings. When renovating, select tile, stone, or waterproof wall panels for high moisture areas, and avoid wallpaper or porous materials that can trap moisture and encourage mold growth. In summary, controlling humidity in your bathroom is all about ventilation, moisture management, regular maintenance, and smart material choices. By combining these strategies, you can prevent wall damage, preserve your bathroom's appearance, and create a healthier environment for everyone in your home. Don't wait for problems to appear. Take action today to keep your bathroom fresh, dry, and damage-free. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.